there's 6 bars left. I stretch time, divinely writing life's abundance. Dream keepers, sowing good soil, reap 100. 4 more arms original. B-boy going to a bridge from up rock and solid foundation. Sound in the nation like Pac Jam the trumpet. It's Cold Trains, Love Supreme, Tanner sax bumping, tweeter seek truth. I lose the edge, you know. 12 letter connector, pro reverse grammar flow. Let me slow down. Pronouns and adjectives. What's slacking is the voice of God, cause static shh. Down low, awesome, automatically it itch your ears. Etched in the scriptures, amplified off mics. Sound silly? Hit rewind, see how valid I write. Sackcloth Fashion Expo, decked head to toe. We stepped in street ministry like Satan let go. Behold divine order, humble yourselves to be exalted. I won't explain, live by example, keep talking. World relations dominate, stop meditate. Elevate your mind where revolution takes place. Be renewed by the transform and hit the dance floor because it's dope. Dominion over planet Earth, spread it to the four corners, static free, universal sound. The new song that's on, feel along my holy nation. Hands up right now, it's dope. Dominion over planet Earth, spread it to the four corners, static free, universal sound. The new song that's on, feel along my holy nation. Remember me? From 1983, I was the one in the back, trying to rap, hip-hop embedded, infatuated, and I couldn't forget it. I regret it if I didn't pursue. I fell in love with you, the way you had folks wilding out. Your whole style, everything you about, from the beatbox to beat machines, jumpsuits to jeans. Every year, just recruiting teams. You could shoot down dreams and build up hopes. If the style is fat and the static is dope, they say you kill my folks, but I think you help a lot survive. You didn't shoot the gun, you didn't drive, but you was in the car. So they wanna pin the rap on you because of all the crap they do. But they can never hold a woman this strong for long, whether in the dance, graffiti, art, or song. But there was one thing missing, and with your permission, I would love to make us both complete and get married off a sackcloth beat, so you won't be defiled in streets. I could claim you, then rename you. I wouldn't use you just to pay bills and rent, but to build folks up with good intent. Everything I say, I meant, and I mean hip-hop. My queen, the static is dope.